Hello, I'm CBSE. Welcome to my channel, Learning Balance Life, and today we are going to talk about indices. Let's take a look at today's sum. If x to the power minus 1 into y squared by x cubed into y to the power minus 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x to the power of 6 into y to the power minus 3 by x to the power minus 2 into y cubed whole to the power of half is equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. Find p plus q if x unequal to y. So let's do this. Firstly, copying down the sum. Y squared by y to the power minus 2. Then x to the power of 6, y to the power minus 3, x to the power minus 2 into y to the power of 3, or y cubed, whole to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. Now we can move on to solving this. Implies that, now we can write this as, we know that if it's like a to the power of m by a to the power of n, it's equal to a to the power of m minus n. And keeping that in mind, we get over here y to the power of 2 minus 2. And here in the denominator we get x to the power of 3 minus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 3 divided by, over here also we can apply the same thing and we get x to the power of 6 minus 2. In the denominator we have y to the power of 3 minus 3 whole to the power of half is equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. Now we can simplify this. We can make it much easier now. It implies that over here we get y to the power of 4 by x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x to the power of 8 by y to the power of 6 whole to the power of half equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. And now you can take a look at the board. You may take a look at the board now before we move on to the rest of our sum. Moving on to the rest of our sum. Let's continue. So we know that if it's like m by n whole to the power of a, it's equal to m to the power of a by n to the power of a. So we can write it as, implies that y to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3, x to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 divided by x to the power of 8 whole to the power of half, y to the power of 6 whole to the power of half equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. Again, we know that if it's like a to the power of m whole to the power of n, it is equal to a to the power of mn. Keeping that in mind, we get here, implies that y to the power of 4 by 3 by x to the power of 4 by 3 divided by 8 by 2 is 4. So x to the power of 4 by y to the power of 3, because 6 by 2 is 6 and a half is 3, obviously, equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. And now we make reciprocal. Over here, like that. Now we may take a look at the board. We will carry on with the rest of our sum. Pick up from where we left off. We stopped here. We have to refer to another formula, which is if it's like h to the power of m into h to the power of n, it is equal to h to the power of, m plus n. Then we get over here y to the power of 4 by 3 plus 3 by x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 4 equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. Now let's simplify that. 4 by 3 plus 3 is actually, we can just calculate mentally, 3 to 3, 9 plus 4, 13 by 3, y to the power of 13 by 3. By x to the power of, if we calculate this mentally, we get 16 by 3. Equal to this. Now again, we have to refer to another thing, which is if it's like 1 by h to the power of n is equal to 1 h to the power of minus n. Over here also, we can apply the same thing to get x to the power of minus 16 by 3 into y to the power of 13 by 3 equal to x to the power of p into y to the power of q. From this we get, separate these properties and formulae out of the way. From here, we can write implies that p equal to minus 16 by 3 and q equal to 13 by 3. And now the main thing which we are supposed to calculate after getting p and q is p plus q. So let's do that. It's very simple. P plus q is actually equal to, substitute the values of p and q over here, which are minus 16 by 3 plus 13 by 3, which is actually this. It gives us minus 3 by 3. It's minus 1. Therefore, p plus q equal to minus 1. And this is our final answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.